in the shop. Can you hear the rain? Sounds good hitting that metal roof. I am getting ready to just play a little bit. With this log. I got to cut it down a little more. Let me get over here. I made a fro for splitting wood. I actually made two. This one kind of a heavy duty, and this one for fun. And it's kind of a light duty. Anyhow, I'm getting ready to put one of them to work. I'm going to split that down a little bit. I made a shave horse last weekend, and I'm interested in doing some primitive stuff. So I'm going to see if I can get myself a spoon out of that piece of maple. So let's get started. This is a monster mallet that I made for using with the fro. So let's see what it's gonna do. Okay. So on that one, I am guessing I need a little better edge on it. So I'm going to grab the other one, and we'll see what it does. Kindling. Okay, so my thinner blade works a whole lot better, but a lot of times with the fro, you need to pry a piece to tear it off, and this is just too flexible. This is actually part of an old machete that I had around here, so I'm going to flip it around and do this other side. This piece of maple has got a crack in it, but I'm hoping I can keep that to one side of the handle. This end down here would be the spoon end, so it's not going to discourage me and stop me. I'm still going to see if there's some way that I can do this and make something productive out of this chunk of wood. One of the first things I'm going to be doing with this is practicing with my hatchet some to whittle it down before I start shaving. This is my homemade phone holder so I can video. So I'm going to try my hand at this, and you can see what I'm able to do with it. I hope I've got this in a spot that you're able to see. Let's get at it. chopping on a big old hard piece of Osage. I think I'm going to make some legs for it so I can raise it up and be in a little more comfortable position to do this. From what I've watched, if you're able to see, everybody starts at the bottom and kind of works their way up. I don't remember what they called it, but I just want to get rid of some of the bulk so I can get down to the more fun part. LED lighting always makes it hard. I have so many around here, it blinds everybody. Most of the time when I'm up here working, it's because I'm making something for somebody else. And for me, this is just playtime. Just something new, and I get bored doing the same old thing. Never know, and I always try to approach stuff with I can't wait to see what I'm going to learn next. So I'm going to go back to chopping on this for a little bit, and then I'll bring you up to date. What I've got with this, I did take it over to the bandsaw so I can try to control where that crack's at, just to take a little bit of the bulk away. And this is all new, first time, so I'm sure I'm not going to get everything right the first time around. Anyhow, I'm going to set this up and do a little bit of shaving on it. Did a little more shaping. Guess I was a little apprehensive at first about using the hatchet. I really should be able to get farther along with this from what I've seen people do on YouTube. And they also get to somewhere around here and draw out their pattern. And this would really be best for Kim to do. But my drawing skills are not that good, but I'm going to give it a shot. Guess maybe I might be trying to cut too deep, I'm not sure. I don't tell much about that. I feel like I'm going in the right direction, but I don't know if I was trying to cut too deep with that. Give up. Might have to buy better tools. Okay, back at it. results. And it's not finished, but I'm going to show you why. And no big deal. It doesn't bother me. It's just learning. Let me flip this around. And I pointed out about the crack in it. And I was able to get away from it up on the handle part. But right there is where that crack was. And over here, I was actually going to make a spoon/ladle out of this. But over here, as I was working, this is green wood, and this is how fast green wood can start cracking when it starts drying out on you. It can just start drying that quick and start checking. And this right here, that was that hard part I had at the beginning. There's a cavity. And I guess if I keep going, I'm going to keep finding that. I don't think it's going to get more solid. It might a little bit. It's solid on the back, but again, there's all of that part. Like I say, it doesn't bother me at all. It's fun. Pretty cool learning. Broke one of my tools. And I don't know, I mean, I bought these, I think for like 38 bucks on Amazon. But this one, and maybe I was using it wrong. I was just trying to shave, but it snapped off at the handle on first use of it. So anyhow, that's about it, and I'm sure I'll share that with you again a little further along I get, and hopefully get better. But it's really enjoyable. I want to be able to learn to do that. I'd like to make dough bowls. Just like to do a little more stuff by hand. Anyhow, I'm heading to the house. It's dark out. And I'll be back up here tomorrow. If I have something worthwhile videoing, I will do that. Anyhow, yeah, I'm heading to the house. You can hear the wind. I don't hear any more rain. But I'm done for the day. Heading to the house. And be a blessing in somebody's life.